Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, last working day, Friday, September the 20th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also an additional in this newspaper. Additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, it's a long time, but yeah, gasoline will be cheaper. Yeah, it's a long time ago, this news. Anyway, I'm electric. I'm riding electric here on my e-bike. So, but it's not news for me, but maybe for others. All right. The first one will be a 3 stars puzzle. Three stars puzzle number 9303. Okay, 9303. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. It's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this first column should be there. Then, let me see. 7. Yeah. I need a 4 here. I need an 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. These 2 boxes can be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. Well, here can be an 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. The only place left 8 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for 4 should be there. 3, need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second columm, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Then 2, 2. 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, no, only 2 places left for the 5. Ghost with 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1, 9, 6, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this second row. No 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Then 2, 3. Then, yeah, let me see. 4 and 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in this column. The 1 and the 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Then, let me see, 6, 7, 3. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 7. All right. Then the 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then, let me see. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I need a 2 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for 2 should be here. Then let me see. I need a 7. Okay. Two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Well, I need a 3 here. Okay. Let me see. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Here 2 numbers left in the last row. I believe the 6 and the 3 are left in the last row. Yeah, let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 6 and a 9. We already have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then, let me see. The 9, yeah, 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Oh, no, we have a 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Almost made a mistake. This is a 7. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7 should be there. 6 and the 3 are left in this big square. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 6 and the 3, we have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there, finishing at 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, nope. 2 stars, nope. 1 star, nope. Should be 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and then I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.